Hey people, so off late I've been just making so many like review videos and just generally. So today I thought I'll just sit and just for this 1 minute chat with you all. As of last year around this time, no, in February I think. Yeah, my kid and me had been part of this 40th wedding anniversary celebrations. That was a very grand affair in near Chennai. It was in Mahabalipuram. It was in the Taj hotels there, and yeah, it was such a brilliant experience. Like seriously, but. It was so strange. My kid, who was just 6 years old at that time, like we all had these very luxury rooms and all, and it was basically 40th anniversary celebration, but it was done in the style of a wedding. Like there was a mehndi ceremony, and then the exchange of garlands and a cocktail party and all of that. But my small kid, who was 6 years old, he would wake up each morning and say, "Mama," I mean, we were at such a luxury resort, but this tiny little brat would say, "Mama, there is nothing to do. This is so boring." So, I mean, now that this lockdown has happened, uh, one gets the same feeling, yeah. I mean, like, see, honestly, what we are experiencing right now is nothing short of luxury. It's, I mean, to have like such unlimited amount of time to be able to, when you want, you can binge watch something, and no, so this is kind of scaring me that the whole idea of work from home sort of situations may not be too ideal, because it's human nature, I guess, is like this. We are not very designed to use our time well when we have unlimited amount of time. So I mean, this is such a, it really makes one think, so that's what I just felt I had to share this. And as of yeah, so I'll make another video to speak about another very important topic in my life.